Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you YNAB how to categorize transfers. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In the YNAB mobile app, categorizing transfer works just like on the web. So what you need to do is simply head over and open up your YNAB application and be sure to be logged in. Then in order to categorize transfers in YNAB, simply create a transfer transaction by opening the account you're transferring the money, then tap on the plus button to add a new transaction. For payee, select the account you're transferring money and leave the category field blank. YNAB will automatically treat this as a transfer and link the accounts. Then simply enter the amount and date and tap on save. Then next is for credit card payments. When you pay your credit card from a checking account, for pay, select your credit card account, and for category, choose the automatically created credit card payment category for that card, and this properly tags down your credit card balance. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.